This is where we moved our forward deck up a bit. So if you remember, we have a tab from inside. They're gonna come in, they'll wrap this. Multiple layers of 1708, real beefed up. It's where we modified our deck height. Same thing, they'll come in, multiple layers of 1708. We'll get this structurally back together. Fairing work, the interior, getting that back right. Joe's laid out our 1708. Just make sure it doesn't need any trimming. Everything was cut from template, so should be close. But everything always needs a little bit of tweaking. What layer is this? Oh, this is the third? Nice. What's up, Joe Borelli? What looks like oversaturation is in fact not oversaturation. What they're doing is they're building up the second to last layer. They'll come in and put the third layer on and work the third layer without adding any resin. And then they'll go back and add resin wherever resin's needed. This way you really saturate the mat on the back side of the 1708. Came in this morning to check up on how the guys did on the layup, on the gunnel cap, and deck liner. It looks like they did a great job. They have some more tabbing to do, but they got the structural layup very nicely done on bringing our deck to liner bond back to one. Beautiful job on the layup over our core replacement. Looks like they've already come in and roughened everything up to prepare for the application of our bilge coat. They do still need to come up here and tab the wells in with additional strips of 1708 tabbing to structurally bond those back to the forward casting platform. As well in here, we're gonna go ahead and glue in a few pieces of Penske board, solid core, and no longer going through a void that leaked for years to come. This piece of Penske board. So we'll take some of our super putty, blast that in place, and that'll be where our drain tubes for this well will drain out onto the deck, where the drain tubes go through a solid core. This is the underside to our casting deck. Installed the drain pipe, got that glassed in. Looks like they put about 3 layers of mat, the old welds, to beef them up. I think they tabbed it with a couple of layers of, oh, they used 727, a little 727 action. Very nice.